Looking for a speaker system that delivers crisp, full-range sound without cluttering your space? Pyle's 10-inch flush mount speakers offer a sleek solution with two installation options, in-wall or in-ceiling. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or building a custom audio setup, these speakers blend seamlessly into any room while packing serious sound power. What makes these speakers stand out is their thoughtful design and performance. The flush mount style features spring-loaded clips for quick, hassle-free installation, plus a durable ABS frame built to last. With a cutout dimension of 10.9 inches in diameter and 4 inches deep, they fit perfectly into standard walls or ceilings. Inside, you get a 1/2-inch high-compliance polymer tweeter paired with a 10-inch midbass driver, covering a wide frequency range from 35 Hz to 20 kHz. That means you'll hear everything, from deep lows to sparkling highs, with clarity and balance. Power matters, and Pyle doesn't disappoint. These speakers handle up to 250 watts peak power and maintain an 8 ohm impedance, ensuring they respond quickly and clearly to your audio source. The built-in electronic crossover network optimizes sound distribution between the tweeter and woofer, while an impressive 89 decibel sensitivity rating guarantees efficient performance. Plus, the package includes both round and square stain-resistant grills, giving you flexible styling options that resist wear and tear. Users across the U.S. have praised these speakers for their solid build and excellent sound quality. One reviewer installed 6 in-ceiling units for a 7.2 surround system and noted how well they handle frequencies down to 45 Hz, enough to complement a subwoofer perfectly or stand strong on their own. The secure grille covers stay firmly in place without rattling, and the speakers support thick 10 Aruban Florins wiring for reliable connections. This combination of durability and sound precision makes them a smart choice for both casual listeners and audio enthusiasts. If you want a clean, professional audio setup without sacrificing sound quality, Pyle's 10-inch flush mount speakers are worth a look. They simplify installation, deliver powerful, balanced sound, and fit effortlessly into your space. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your home audio experience with speakers that perform as good as they look.